Okay, let's get back over to Katie now for an update on the weather. And yeah, you know, it can be nice and warm down here, but still cold enough to keep that snow around up
Cold
top.
enough up there for snow. And the other thing, too, a lot of people forget is the water needs more time.
Yeah.
You know, it takes the land less time to warm up than the water.
Yeah.
And we get these warm 80-degree days,
Sure.
and we want to go jump in the water, and then you get in and it's like 47, 50, and it shocks you, and that's what's dangerous about it. Right now, it's 75 in Salem. We made it to 84 yesterday, so we're just about 10 degrees below average in the Salem area, but that is, or 10 degrees below what we were yesterday, but still above average in the Salem area is what I was trying to tell you. And here are your highs for today. You'll notice definitely cooler than yesterday, but like we mentioned, still above average. We did make it to the mid-70s in Portland, so those clouds have cleared up for us enough to get us to where we expected to be, some upper 70s through the valley, and then it's cooler in some areas along the coast than yesterday. Upper 50s in Newport, that's pretty close, but more of the low to mid 60s. We had some upper 60s in Astoria, and then you'll go all the way out to the Dalles. You'll see those upper 70s. So cooler in some areas, the same in others. For this evening, because we don't have the cloud cover and because we don't have any big air masses coming in, either cold or warm, once we lose the sun for the heating, we'll see our temperatures drop so much so that we will be a little cooler than we were last night. So skies are clearing. First 9 p.m. sunset of the season. We'll have those for a few days, and then that northwest wind will be gusting up to 20 miles per hour. For tomorrow, you'll notice the difference where we started off cloudy today and then turned to sunshine. Tomorrow will be mostly sunny, but it'll be a little cooler, and then we'll stay sunny throughout the entire day. Maybe a couple high clouds, maybe a few fun of those puffy ones that you loved to draw when you were younger, but temperatures will be very similar to today. Expecting them to be right there in those mid 70s. We have one more warmer day, that's our Thursday, before again that trough comes in. But you'll notice we've adjusted things a little, as I mentioned that we might do, because the system has to be coming toward us and we watch those conditions, and it's called pattern recognition. And when we recognize the trough coming, we look for this weather like this to change. And when do we see that starting to change? Once we get into Thursday night going into Friday. So watch that clock there. There it is. There you see that potential for change. How much rain are we going to see the next 3 days? Nothing right now. This is zeros all the way across the board. It's not until we get to the weekend. Right now, we will likely be dry in the Portland metro, but definitely have a chance for some showers in the northern part of the coast. And then that system that we're watching does look like it's going to bring us a few showers on Saturday and Sunday, and then it could spill over into Monday. Once we get past that, there's another low pressure center that we're watching. Right now, it looks like we'll go into sunny conditions, but of course we are going to be watching that. Temperatures for us drop back into the 60s very briefly during that time. Don't quite make it to average to start the next week. It looks like it'll stay a little on the cooler side, and we're also going to see some cooler overnight temperatures, possibly dropping down into the upper 40s.